Welcome back to the channel. openSUSE is once again in the spotlight with news that could change how users interact with the system. During the latest openSUSE Hack Week, YQPkg, a new package management tool, was unveiled. This tool aims to address one of the most common user requests, a leaner system for selecting, installing, and removing packages without necessarily relying on YaST. But what makes YQPkg so special? First of all, its simplicity. It's designed to offer a more direct experience, bringing back granular control over packages. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with existing system processes, not immediately replacing YaST, but complementing it as a modern and faster alternative. This debut also marks the beginning of a larger transformation. It could represent the start of a transition where openSUSE moves beyond YaST, redefining key tools for system administration. In this context, it has already been announced that the new Agama installer will replace YaST for installations, while Cockpit will become the main tool for system administration. With YQPkg, openSUSE once again demonstrates its commitment to listening to its community and pushing for innovation. If this is just the beginning, we can't wait to see what the future holds for the project. Thanks for watching.